In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress image to specific size in Squoosh. We'll use Squoosh, a free browser-based image tool from the web team at Google. It runs locally in your browser, which means quick previews and strong privacy, and it's perfect when you need to control both compression and exact dimensions. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can get consistent, high-quality results every time. Start by opening Squoosh.app in your browser. You'll land on a clean workspace with a big area in the middle that says Drop or Paste Image. Click that area to open your file picker, or if you already have an image on your clipboard, simply paste it. Choose the image you want to optimize, whether it's a photo, a graphic, or a screenshot. Once it loads, Squoosh shows a split view, the original on one side and the compressed preview on the other. You can drag the vertical slider to compare details, which is helpful for checking sharpness, text edges, and gradients. On the right panel, open the Output Format dropdown. This is where you pick your compression type. Common choices are MozJPEG for broad compatibility with JPEG workflows, WebP for a great balance of size and quality across modern browsers, and AVF for the smallest sizes with excellent quality in the latest browsers. Pick the format that matches your needs. After selecting it, you'll see controls like quality and sometimes additional options such as effort or advanced settings. As you adjust quality, watch the estimated output size that Squoosh displays. Small changes can make a noticeable difference. A practical tip: lower quality gradually until you see artifacts, then nudge it back up a touch for the best trade-off. Next, enable the resize option in the right panel. This is where you set your exact size in pixels. Enter the width and height you need. If you must preserve proportions, make sure the lock icon is enabled so the aspect ratio stays consistent. When you type one dimension, Squoosh will calculate the other automatically. If you have strict dimensions to meet, unlock the ratio and enter both values directly. Reducing dimensions is one of the most effective ways to cut file size while maintaining clarity. You can also leave the default resize method, which works well for most images. That's it. You've selected your compression type, fine-tuned quality with live feedback, and set the precise dimensions you need. Use the preview slider to confirm everything looks right, and you're ready to use your optimized image.